Is Firefox refusing to open after an update? Learn how to fix it in under 3 minutes without losing your bookmarks. We'll start with the quickest fix, Refresh Firefox, then tackle specific error messages step by step. Start by opening the Firefox help page titled Firefox Won't Start, Find Solutions. Then, search for the issue you're experiencing. Consider using the Refresh Firefox feature first. It restores Firefox to default while saving your essential info, which can fix many issues without lengthy troubleshooting. Now, click on the Search button to look for more specific solutions. Next, click on the XULRunner-error entry to see related fixes. If you see a compatibility error after an update, click on that section. Then, click on Error Opening File for Writing to address that common issue. If Firefox was started with an administrator account, click here to learn how to switch to the correct user. Now click on Other Error Messages for additional troubleshooting. If you get a different error, like XML parsing or secure connection failure, click here to troubleshoot extensions, themes, or hardware acceleration. This article covers what to do if Firefox doesn't open when you click its icon. Click to read more. Finally, click on Search again to find any remaining solutions. Good luck, and hope Firefox is back up and running soon. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.